Want to know how I got one lipstick for 18 rupees and 70 paise each? If y'all are interested, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. From the initial intro, I am 100% sure y'all are very much curious to know how I got one lipstick for 18 rupees and 70 paise. Now without doing any blabbering or anything, what I'll do is I'll just tell you little bit of the packaging, then I'll attach a closer look of, that is a closer clip of the full packaging and everything, and then we'll move towards the final thought and all. I'll just brief you about the product. It is from the Mars Cosmetics. It is Mars Infinity Lip Palette. It says Infinity Lip Palette. This is what the outer covering is. Okay, when you turn the back, over here on one side it says express yourself with a shade of your choice, and when you open the flap, over here they say net weight and they said the item code. Net weight is 36 gram and item code is LP10. That is, I think there's some code or something. When you turn the packaging, on the back side over here you all can see each and every detail, including the manufacturing, the expiry, the MRP, the shade number. The shade number is also given over here. The shade which I'm going to review is of course 02. You can see over here. I'll just tell you few of the details. The MRP of this product is 299 rupees. Manufacturing is 821 and used before is 825. Yes, altogether in this particular lip palette you are going to get 4 years of shelf life. This is a vegan product, not tested on animal. This is what the symbol over here specifies. And right, and this says design in India. Now this is the outer packaging. Exact all the details are ditto given on the back side also. So if at all you want to throw away, you can easily throw away the packaging. Now I won't tell you what is like everything. Like as you know, I told you each and every detail is ditto same. It comes with this kind of a lip brush. Right, over here it is the brush. It is very like proper, not too soft, not too hard, and over here you can see a spatula kind of thing. Basically this spatula is for like if you want to mix two shades together, you just have to scrape off both the shades, like whatever shades, 3 shades, n number of shades, you can mix and match and you can create your own customized shade. Now basically if you see the shade number, that is a palette 01, basically that is like in that, if you see there are few of the shades which are little bit different, unusual, which we will not apply in a day-to-day life. For that you can use this spatula, scrape off the product, mix on some palette or something somewhere, mix 2 shades together and then apply. But what I felt, I was damn sure, because I have few of the lipsticks which are of unusual shades, so rather getting again some unusual shades, I got this shade. This is palette number 2. As I told you, this comes with a brush and this is the closer look of the shades. Right, now don't worry, what I'll do is now I'll attach a clip over here where you will get all the detail, like exact close-up look of all the palette very clearly. Now you can see over here I have already applied this shade on my lip. This is this shade from the palette itself. Okay, now as I told you, I have told you about the manufacturing, the expiry, the shade number. 18 point, now you will say how 18.70. This palette is retailing for 299 rupees, and if you divide, there are total 16 shades, so if you divide you will get 18 rupees 70 paise per shade. Now total 36 grams, so 36 divided by 16, if you calculate as per the math, it will give you 2.25 gram, and 2.25 is almost equivalent to a mini lipstick. So this is a very good palette altogether. Now what we will do, we will just check the transfer test. Of course they never claim anything, but we will just check. Yes, it is transferring. Right, now what I'll do is, in front of the camera I'll remove this shade, I'll take the another shade and I'll apply in front of you, so that, and of course I'll fast forward. So I'm just taking some makeup remover. Yes, the earlier shade is already removed. Okay, of course, and I forgot to tell you, the lip palette comes in this kind of plastic film. It was sealed so that the palette is intact. The earlier shade, the lipstick which I applied, it was like I had applied with this Bronzing Professional lip brush. So for me, there is no need to like clean the brush or something. This is pretty much cleaned, you can see. So what I'll do is, now I'll apply one more shade. What we'll do, which shade to apply? Can we go for this shade? Something unusual. Can we go for this kind of lavender shade? Let's do it. So I've taken the shade, now I'll apply. Yes, now I've done applying. So basically, see, this is the lip palette. Now if you will ask me my final thought, then I will say definitely you can take this, you can purchase this product. Why? There are few reasons. First, it comes with this own spatula as well as with the brush. You don't have to spend anything else. That is, you don't have to buy the separate brush. One point. Second point, it is cruelty free, it is vegan, it is made in India product. Second point. Third point, they say designed in India, so I am guessing it is made in India, because made in where it is, I don't think I can see anywhere. So definitely it is made in India. Third thing, the shelf life what you are going to get is 4 years. Fourth thing, 299 rupees, and when I got it from Amazon, I got it for 199. Of course, this was not under Prime. I had to pay shipping, so I paid 55 rupees shipping. 55 or something. In total, I paid 251 rupees for this lip palette. And of course, if you are a artist, if you are a makeup artist and you want to get, then you can get shade number 1 also. It is with some different kinds of shades, so which you can use as for like for body painting, for like different purpose you can use. But for me, it was shade number 02, and you can see both the shades I have used, and it is like, you can see this kind of effect like after using. So yeah, that is all. I wanted to tell you about all these basic details. If you have any other query, or if you want to ask me anything, you can let me know in the comment section, or else if you want to DM me on Instagram, you can definitely do that. I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. And if you are not following me over there, I do upload short reels, few of the clicks or few of the reels, some what I cannot upload over here, I do upload on my Instagram. So do follow me over there, don't forget to do that. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Don't go without liking. And yes, if you are watching till here, then let me know if you want the full lip swatches of all this colors without lipstick, without makeup. Let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do that for you. So then I'll come to know that whether you have watched the full video or no. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.